an entree, a snack, a meal, full COURSEiana. Like, hey y'all, this is allofdestiny, and in this video we're gonna be doing something fun today. Ooh, a clothing haul. As you all already seen on the thumbnail. Why do YouTubers always talk about what you saw on the thumbnail and in the title? Why do we do that? Can we not think of something else to say? I will be sharing with you all about 8 or 9 different clothing items, and I also was able to pick out 2 different types of accessories from AfricanMall. Check out my other video I did, like basically getting my hair and stuff together before I filmed this video. I'm on a roll. We back to back with it. Back to back. Hey, we go back to back. This video is sponsored by AfricanMall. Who doesn't like free clothes? Of course I said yes, okay. But of course all of the opinions about everything is my own. All of the links to everything that I'm going to be trying on in my description box down below. Wait, I feel like I'm looking at myself a lot more than I should be looking. Like right here. We here, okay? 10% off code is AfricanMall 1902. The code is only for my subscribers. If you're not subscribed to my channel, why would you use my code? Make sure you subscribe. It's free. So let's go ahead and get right into the haul. You can probably see my waist trainer.
Yeah.
Then we got this.
I said I ain't messing with her unless she real fine. You feel me?
This is so cute. Like, listen, this is me without my waist trainer. I try to wear this sometimes to kind of cinch me. This is me without it, just so we're clear. I guess you can probably see a difference. My waist trainer kind of pushes me in right here, but I'm definitely feeling this one. We're like in the last days of it being winter, so if I'm gonna wear this, I have to wear it fast. But at the same time, with Instagram, I can put on a summer outfit in the winter and take a picture if I want to. So I'm still gonna post a picture in this. Who knows, we still make it a cold day. May still get to wear this. One thing that I definitely do like about it, like when you pull something, you can tell if it's nice, thick quality material when you kind of pull it. If you can see through it, you can't see through this. This is nice, snug, and thick. Comment down below and let me know if you all wear tights when you wear like dresses and stuff like this. Me and my sister Bone were talking about it. I feel like it's like a southern thing. The self-belted, rib knit sweater dress. It comes in black, like a minty green type of color, and then scarlet reddish type of color as well. I chose the blue one. I try to think of colors of different things that I don't have already. This, hopefully I can wear it somewhere. I wish I had a monitor. I'm looking like in a super small screen trying to pose. Yeah, you gotta do like that to be an Instagram baddie. You gotta like tuck your bra straps and do this. Can we get a picture of the thumbnail?
Riding through the city, speakers hidden. I'm just living competition. Don't see any hustle hard. It's just in me.
Also, my measurements, my height, all of that good stuff. That way you all, when you go shopping on the site, you'll know like, I wonder what I should pick out. I wonder what my size might be with AfricanMall. Because different websites work differently. Let's be honest, when you're shopping online, like you want to get it right. I've been fluctuating a lot lately, but I think I'm about 153 pounds in the morning. As far as my height, I'm 5'2.5". I'm a little taller depending on my shoes too, but I'm 5'2.5". I've been in the gym, you know. I just started my intermittent fasting, so I'm filming this video before I try the clothes on. I'm just predicting. We kind of guesstimating. So you know, listen. First putting it on, it's kind of snug. It's a little more fitted. Ooh, and see-through. What? Wait. Okay, we got it on now. Yeah, hopefully the camera doing me justice. I feel like the camera sometimes have me looking like I don't look like that in person. Let me pull up my high-waisted undies, because that's what I'm doing. Yes, I am. Why not? Because it... See how she got hers? Hold on. How she got hers on there like this? Wait, what? No, the camera's about to die. What? I'm finna go to bed. I don't got time for this. Man, I didn't do all this makeup and hair and stuff for this camera to die on me. Like, I didn't. How'd she do that? I don't know how to put my loop thing through here. Girl, I don't even know. I've never had anything like this. Let me just be clear. Let me be honest. Do they have directions? Maybe. Pretend. So, I don't like this. This is cute. I just don't like this little belt thing. The belt could be, maybe I'm not doing it right. I don't know, but I don't like the belt that much. But I feel like you have to have something here in the waist, especially me, because I pose to the side just because I look like this straight on. So I kind of, you know, finesse it a little bit, but I feel like with this being like slitted, I can't do that. You gotta boop, just. Video how I'm looking like I caught a lick, looking like an entree, a snack, a meal, full COURSEiana. Like oh dear, oh dear,
oh dear,
Oh dear.
oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh dear. Okay, we're in. I said it like we just snuck into some bank or something. Originally, I picked out this dress because I wanted to wear it to a church event that I had to attend, my dad's pastoral installation, if you all saw that. But due to the Chinese New Year, it didn't really arrive in time. I ripped a hole in it while I was trying it on or trying to get into it. It didn't come like that. I'll just get my mom to either sew it or I can just still wear it and keep my arm down. Nobody will know. But I'm definitely still going to wear this because we do wear white on first Sunday. So this will just be something extra for me to have in my closet. Okay, I can stunt on the first lady in this. Like, listen, I know you see that it's long sleeves, but it's not like a hot material, so we're good. The details on these lashes, finally, because y'all have been going crazy on Instagram and in my previous videos asking me about them. I got 5 pairs and they're from AfricanMall. You're welcome. Go and get you some. And these lashes, girl, like, y'all know how I feel about lashes, but I'm loving these, especially for like a natural look, and then you just throw some lashes on to make it really look like boom. And I also picked out this white mini crossbody bag. It has a gold chain on the inside and the gold lock detailing on it that I absolutely love. It just really brings out that pop and that statement to the look. I don't know if I'll carry both of these together, but I figured I would put it on while I had on the white dress. So yeah, I'm loving this for springtime. And of course, because y'all know how I feel about my compartments, this one does have a zipper on the inside as well as an extra compartment for you to store your things. And of course, I have to have the casual fit because let's be honest, lots of chill days, okay? So I wore this to the movie theater. I figured I may as well get my footage while I had it on. Casual, but don't get it twisted. We definitely make a statement in this one. So 2-piece velvet pants set. The only thing I don't like is the way it kind of scrunches up in the middle of that like pants section. It just does something weird right there. I don't remember where those shoes are from. I know y'all are gonna ask me. I've had those a long time. I'm not sure. But of course, I picked this out in my favorite color, pink.
Yeah, the lights don't go. Get out.
I didn't vlog this particular day when we went to see Captain Marvel. This was my second time seeing it, but my sister Dominique did vlog. I'll link that video down below if y'all want to check that out on her channel. Okay, more casual clothes for the win. So I have these denim jeans here. What is she doing? Like, why is she doing that? Either way, you all can see that you can move in these. I should have grabbed my belt, but I was kind of being lazy. I love this bodysuit. You can just kind of throw it on and go, and it helps to like keep your clothes all tucked in and all of that. You can choose to kind of loosen up your string. That's what I was trying to show you all. It does have pockets in the back as well as in the front. I had to get used to it being like buttons versus like zipping up and zipping down, but I definitely love these. Plus I needed more jeans. Like, I mean, it's about to be warm now, but she needs more jeans, so that's why I picked out these. I also got this darker pair of jeans as well. It has this cute floral embroidery type of design on the pants. I've always seen these and I wanted a pair, so I was like, hey, why not? Forgot to show the bottom of the other pants, but both of these are skinny jeans. If you all remember this outfit, I wore this when I went out with Keith. Yeah, that stain that you see on my pants, I wear them a couple of times before I just put my jeans in the hamper. Don't judge me, mind yours. I'm losing a little weight. I've been doing my intermittent fasting. I only eat like from like 11 in the morning to 7 at night, and then I'm done. 16-hour fast, along with me doing cardio. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing that. Got me a distressed denim jacket. I had bought myself a Levi one. It was a small, but it was really like oversized on me. So after I got this one and then I was looking at them side by side, I was like, yeah, this is kind of big. So the conversation eventually led to me giving that jacket to Keith. But we at least do have matching denim jackets now. This is my first denim jacket ever. Like, I've never had a denim jacket before. Comment down below and let me know which outfit is your favorite. If you've ever shopped with AfricanMall, leave that down below as well. People get to hear from more than just me. They can kind of skim through the comments and see what you all's experience was like working with AfricanMall as well. Did I tell y'all it's 1 o'clock in the morning? Did I mention that? And I filmed a video before this. Did I say that? Did I tell y'all we're pulling an all-nighter? Like, putting in work. Is that what she say? I'm on a different level of energy past midnight. Like, listen, I'm about to go and get settled for bed now. No, I'm not. Stop lying. You gotta take pictures. You have to take pictures before you go to bed, because you're not gonna do makeup again. So you need to, you know, some cute pictures for Instagram that I can just casually post while I'm laying back in bed with my bonnet on and they think I'm still looking like this. I'm gonna throw this on, wash all this off. I've collected my pictures. Tip for you: change clothes and take all of your pictures while you're dressed up. When you're not dressed up, you still got something to post. You heard this from me. You heard it from me. You heard it from all Again, special thank you to AfricanMall for sponsoring this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That way I'll know that you all want to see more clothing hauls from me. Even though I might not look like, you know, I'll still show you some clothes, like still show you some skin, okay? Click over here to watch more clothing haul videos that I have on my channel. Click over here on my cute little face to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye. Get to the video. Enjoy. Go ahead. What Jackie say? Go.